Okay, so we're coming up on 10 minutes in the heating process. The durometer, that's rubber hardness scale per the machining handbook. They're pretty stiff, so I'm trying to warm them up. I went ahead and prepped the rim. Remember, I had put a lot of Seal Flat, so I went in here and made sure that the mating surface was as clean as I could get it with a wire brush. All right, then I'm putting the hub up. We're fixing to turn that thing off, see if we can do something. So, the other day, I had a comment about one of my videos about replacing the gas tank on my truck, my lawnmower. Not my lawnmower, my tractor. And somebody said, I wish you had a video of how you got the clamshell off. And I said, well, it was a monumental undertaking. And I didn't film it, so I'm gonna try to film all of this. We're gonna see what happens. You know, I'm not sure that thing's gonna fit in there, folks. I'll be back. Okay, first and foremost, I have a fire extinguisher right there. So if this goes south, I can do something. I just took this thing and started heating. Because everything I saw on YouTube didn't work. We'll see. Power two. Found it out the hard way, you know, Joe. I'm not giving up. I'm this close. Not giving up. I'm close. I can't hold on to it. Yeah. Well, see that thing about? That means it got air in it. That got air in it too. This has been an epic struggle, a monumental undertaking. Swap out 2 rotten, dry rotted Carlisle made in China tires with 2 more made in China Carlisle tires. But it worked. Took a lot of heat from my heat gun to get these tires pliable enough to get them over this little bitty rim. And then after getting them hot enough to make them pliable, they kind of lost their shape. So then I had to heat them back up to try to get them to fit on the rim, to seat on the rim, where I can put them up tire, where I can put them up there. Well, it's done. I still got all my hardware. So I'm gonna put that together and call this project successful. Wasn't easy, but it is successful. So I am now poised on the point where I can start working on spreading lime and stuff over my little pasture. It's been an adventure, and more than one time I've thought, I'm just gonna buy me a new one, but I didn't. So anyway, this full rebuild, $30. Prime, I think that's free shipping. $14.66 per tar, and didn't tear anything up to have to replace it yet. So I'm gonna button this thing back up. First, I'm gonna call my wife, come help me get out of. I gotta turn this video off, call my wife, come help me get out of the basement floor. Then I'm gonna wrap this thing up. I appreciate you watching. I hope you've gotten some enjoyment out of it.